story and the screenplay, I am myself being clear on it. We know right now that Manju sir, Guru Kiran, and assistants we are on team. Now, Ellam Hogi, dialogue will be written and we are going to go and stand on Upendra's feet and say, sir, please, ನೀವೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂತ ನೀವೇ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ಇರಬೇಕು. We don't know if he will agree or not, but I think he may. But for sure, this film is going to be made. It's a beautiful story, part 2 of A part 2. So the screenplay script is fully ready. The whole planning is fully ready, and we will start shortly. We just have to make it into a thing. So this is my, for sure, I am going to be helping this whole thing. And Gurudat sir is so good in writing some dialogue, so you are going to be helping. He has done, and we are going to be, the same team will repeat, except Upendra, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ recommend ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. Yeah, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ he will agree. So I have not got his dates, but he's a wonderful director, wonderful actor, and very good human being. Really a good human being, I have to say, very humble and good. So, okay, the definition of love, actually in 25 years, I have gone through full definition of love only. It's quite difficult. The word love is been quite brainstorming for me, but I believe in Jesus' greatest commandment, that is, love is to love the other as yourself. ಬೇರೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ನೋವು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ, that is not love. And you have to always think about the other person's suffering if you really love them. It can't be mine, naan matra. That is not love, that is some business transaction. So if you are ready, that is why love is very difficult. You know, success and all is so difficult, money making is so difficult, but love is the one that makes everybody loving music, adu idu elkolak bandaru, because break heart break ellam ide alla. That is because love is very, very, very precious. And that can happen only when you are selflessly giving love. Otherwise, no way. It's not love. Nano, I have done many things in life. And ಈಗ ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Now I want to go back to acting. I've done full circle. After this, I did at least 20 movies in different languages as heroine. Many success in UP and Bihar, different places. But Appa Amma always said you have to study. And I went on studying. I did my master's. I got a gold medal for master's. Then the professor said, you PhD ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಸರ್, PhD is not for me, ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ, ನಾನಲ್ಲ. But they said, no, ಮಾಡಿ. And then I finished my PhD with a lot of hard work, not simply. It's not an honorary, it's actual PhD. Thesis, I did something with India and US, how India can gain from the US growth in food processing, in agriculture, right? So I have gone to Idi Karnataka, different villages hogi. I have been with the farmers right there, Gulbarga, Hubli, ella kadem, stayed in agricultural produce market committee for 1 month. So adike I want to tell you that Karnataka and me is connected.
ಜಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಬಲ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಲಭ್ಯ. ಸನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ 292, ಜಿಯೋ ಟಿವಿ 1334, ಯು ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ 162, ಸಿಟಿ ಕೇಬಲ್ 51, ಜಿಟಿಪಿಎಲ್ 17, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ಸ್ 821, ರಾಕ್ ಲೈನ್ ಟೆಲಿಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ 51, ಶ್ರೀ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ನಂಬರ್ 60, ವಿನಾಯಕ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 53, ಇನ್ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 896ರಲ್ಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮಿಸ್ತದ ಜಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಆನಂದಿಸಿ.